You got 10 bucks, right? Awesome! That's all you need to turn that into over 2,500 bucks in just 10 minutes. Forget all those myths that say only the big shot pros with loads of cash can rake in big sums. Some folk might think trading binary options is for the brainiacs or super geeks, but let me tell you, it's way easier than you might think. You don't need years of education. All you need is $10 and this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make more than 2.5 grand in just 10 minutes trading binary options. Watch this video until the end and you'll discover how to pocket 10,000 bucks in just 1 week. So, kick back, relax and let's dive in. Hey, what's up, future rich people? It's Simon here. I'm a pro trader for a solid 6 years and for the past 3 I've been all about binary options. My win rate is 85.7%. Would you believe it? At just 27, I'm already a dollar millionaire. In last year alone, I've made over 1.2 million on pocket option. I can afford whatever I want. But let me tell you, it was not always this way. Not too long ago, I was that dude taking out loans to cover other loans. Now I've got my own place, that sport car I've been dreaming about, and I'm jetting off to new destinations every single month. In my videos, I spill the beans on how to bank more than $1 million. Make sure you hit that subscribe button on my YouTube so you don't miss out on any of these crucial tips, and ring the bell. Oh, check this out. My Telegram channel's already got over 4,500 followers. Every single day I'm posting a bunch of signals that I'm personally trading. Just today, my channel's followers pulled in a crazy almost $200,000. And guess what? You could have been one of them. You'll find the link to my channel down below. Don't waste a second, come join us on Telegram and start pocketing tens of thousands of dollars absolutely for free. Have you ever thought about how your life might change if you were pulling in a few extra grand every month? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to pocket over 2 grand in just 10 minutes. The only thing I need for this is a Chinese money toad and a glass fortune teller bowl. Huh? Forget it. No need in magical frogs. On this channel, trading ain't about luck, wizardry or taking chances. Trading with me means deep market analysis and solid strategies. By studying the present, I know what will happen in the future. And now I will prove it to you. So let's get into it, step by step.
Okay, let's go.
Let's start with the settings. Now, set your trade time to 1 minute, starting with just 10 bucks. Adjust your candlestick interval to 30 seconds. We're going to focus on 4 currency pairs today: Aussie dollar and Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, Swiss franc and Japanese yen, and euro and US dollar. These pairs have been the most stable over the past week, so I can pretty much predict their moves. Now pay close attention, because here's the heart of our strategy, the indicators. Today I'm using a rock-solid combo, the stochastic oscillator and the MACD indicator. Moving average, convergence, divergence. If you want to understand how to make big money but don't want to spend years on learning, give me just 1 minute of your undivided attention. I'm gonna break down what these indicators are and how to work them. Both indicators operate on one of the fundamental laws of price. The price always seeks to be in the middle concerning its history. If it's too expensive, it's gonna drop. If it's too cheap, it's gonna rise. The stochastic oscillator compares the current price with the range of highs and lows over a set period. When the stochastic line dips below 20 and then rises again, that's a buy signal. It means the asset is too cheap and the market's ready to rise. When the stochastic line climbs above 80 and then falls, that's a sell signal. This means the asset is overvalued and the market might be headed for a drop. And as for the MACD indicator, it uses 2 moving averages to determine the market direction. If they are getting closer, the market might change soon. If they are moving apart, it could predict future price movements. When the blue line crosses down over the orange signal line, it's a buy signal. When it crosses up over the orange line, it's a sell signal. In today's strategy, we are using the core principle of price. It always wants to be in the middle. It's in its DNA. With this knowledge and an understanding of what these indicators are showing, we can pin down entry times, predict the length of a trend, and catch the right candlestick direction. Alright traders, here comes my favorite part, predicting the future during trading. Today I've got a good feeling and I'm confident I can add a couple of grand to my account by using some cold analysis and following the signals. We're starting with the Swiss franc Japanese yen pair. What influenced our decision here? Well, the chart has hit a recent high, which usually signals an upcoming downtrend. So we're going short. Boom! First 19 bucks in the bag. Not a bad start, right? Canadian dollar yen. Here the downtrend is over. We check through our indicator lines and when they're pointing upward, that's our signal. So we hit the up button. Ah, super! Everything is going down just as we expected. Onward we go. Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. We are going long here because we entered at the beginning of the candle's life and we can tell it's about to rise. Ha! I'm up by 69 bucks now and we're just getting started. Euro-dollar pair. We are going short here because the upward sideways movement has ended and we're expecting a trend reversal to the downside. It's pretty clear picture for analysis. There's my first 100! I just added 132 bucks to my account.
Magic.
So how did your trading day go and what indicators did you use? Write in the comments. Let's discuss this in our friendly community. Franc yen again. The stochastic impulse predicts the future direction of the candlestick and it's heading down. It's very clear market move, so we hit down. Excellent! I've made 255 bucks. Decent money, but I want more. Canadian dollar yen. We are going short here considering the lower market volatility. After the green candle, we anticipate a red one due to the mirror reflection. Ha! Incredible! Almost 500 bucks! Some folks earn that much in a week working in an office.
I'm gonna kill myself!
Let's switch to the Australian and Canadian dollar pair. The key is not to let emotions take over and to keep analyzing the indicators calmly. I'm going long here. We entered right at the end of the red candle's life, so we hit up. I'm up by 940 bucks. I'm reading the market like an open book, but let's keep going. Let's check out the dollar-euro pair. Something interesting is going on here. Look at how the volatility drops and the candlesticks become super still. Yeah, the indicators aren't showing an upward move, but we're going long because the market's frozen and there's no change in the trend. So we hit that up button. The market is a bit unstable, which is pretty common on a 1-minute time frame. We get a return, but we keep moving on. Did you know you can get trading tips by just asking a chatbot? In one of my videos, I decided to see who'd come out on top, my personal experience or artificial intelligence. Intrigued? Check out the details in the description.
Ooh, interesting.
Check out what's happening with the Swiss franc and yen pair. Wow, unexpected, right? The price is heading down, the market's overbought and the candlesticks are dropping. We read the trend easily, so we are going short. Hoo-hoo! 1,800 bucks! That was a piece of cake! Now I've got to decide how to spend it. It's hard when you've already got it all.
I'm buying this hotel.
This is hilarious! It's the complete opposite of the Canadian dollar and yen pair. I love these kinds of coincidence. The chart is shooting up. There are gonna be some easy peasy bucks. We are following the trend and hit up. Haha! Just check it out! I made 2,726 bucks in just 10 minutes! That's a seriously cool result! 3 years ago, I decided to make a revolution in my life and now I'm making thousands of dollars every day trading binary options. I've already bought my own house, a car, and I visit new country every month. But you know what? Money is only a part of the fun. My passion is helping others get rich. Take a look at these words. Today was a lot of successful trades. I made $350. I've already started to withdraw money. Withdrew another $2,500 today. Hi Simon, the last trading session was very profitable. I bought my mom a new MacBook. I fulfilled an old dream of mine and bought myself an iPhone. That's what my channel's followers are saying. I run it myself. Connecting with nearly 5,000 subscribers means the world to me. The secret is simple. I'm sharing my tips, trades and profitable signals that I use myself. Subscribers simply copy my trades and make an average of over $1,000 a day. And just today, the total profit from channel subscribers trades reached almost $200,000. Wanna start making money like this? 2 easy steps. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, link is in the description, and send me a personal message. And what's next? I'll personally teach you everything, right down to pressing each button. Making money with my support will be a piece of cake and absolutely free. Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it in just a couple of days and start earning. Don't miss the chance to change your life. Yep, it's not magic, it's real trading. Have you seen how I predict the future and make tens of thousands of dollars using just a couple of properly configured indicators? And here is the video where I prove that I can analyze the market better than artificial intelligence. Can you make more and faster? Well, prove it! Click here or find the link in the description. That's all for today. Bye for now.